Well, hello everybody. I am at Walmart. I can't see it, but I have both children with me today. Yeah. So anyways, we are going to...
Me.
Yeah, you. We're about to go inside and do some deals. Hopefully we can get
me.
in and out. I don't think that's gonna happen, but so far I don't have any yeah, the chaos. So far I don't have any Ibotta bonuses that are popping up. I won't know until literally I submit my receipt. Usually it pops up at 8, it's 10. Nothing has popped up, but sometimes it still might surprise me and show up when I submit my receipt. We will see a lot of Shopkick deals. Swag Bucks is finally back to normal. There was like a time where there's like no deals. It's crazy. And then yeah, so let's go inside, have some fun shopping, and let's hope these two are angels. That's all I'm gonna say. Here we have the 2-pack of the Ticonderoga whatever pencils for $1.42. You can do this deal 3 times if you want, but it is you'll pay $1.42, but with Fetch Rewards you get $1.50 back. That comes out to be an 8-cent moneymaker for each one. Great deal if your kids need some pencils for school. Here we have the Hello Bello vitamins for $9.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you'll pay $19.76 for both of them. But then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $9.98 back when you buy 2 of them. And then there's a bunch of different deals where you get 610 kicks for every one of these you buy. Well, we're gonna buy 2 different ones. So 610 kicks is $2.44. So you'll get back for that. So your final total for both of these come out to be just $5 or $2.50 each. So here we have the IB guard for $10.84. You're gonna wanna use a $5 off coupon. You'll end up paying just $5.84, but then there is a $5 off. I bought a rebate for it, making this just 84 cents. My store is sold out of the other one for that's $10.88, but that comes out to be just 84 cents, which is an awesome, great deal for the FD guard. So here we have the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $2.97. I'm gonna use 2 $2 off coupons that we got from our August P&G. You guys would just pay $4.91 for this, but then there's actually 2 rebates that are popping up. I have a $5 off of 3 and I have a 50-cent off of 1. So I'll end up just becoming a 59-cent moneymaker for all 3 tubes of toothpaste. We have the Colgate Max Clean for $2.96. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you'll pay just $5.92, but I actually get $6 back with Swag Bucks when you buy the 2 of them, and then you can also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back. This ends up becoming a $2.08 moneymaker. Here we have the Always Discrete for $5.67. You're gonna want to use a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G. You'll end up just paying $6.34, but then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $5 back off of 2 when you purchase the 2 of them. Makes both of these just $1.34 or 67 cents each. Here we have the Old Spice spray for $6.97. You guys want to use a $3 off insert coupon that we got from our P&G, making it $3.97. But then there is a $3 Ibotta rebate deal that you guys can do, and then we also got 270 kicks with Shop Kicks, which is $1.08. This ends up becoming an 11-cent moneymaker. We have the Suave powder deodorant for $5.18. You want to use a 50-cent off insert coupon that we got from our past 2 inserts ago. There's also a you would end up paying just $4.68, but then there is a $1.50 rebate that you guys can submit to Ibotta, and you get 910 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with Shop Kicks, which is $3.64. This comes out to be a 46-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Axe deodorant, the sticks for $4.66. You'd pay $4.66 for it, but there's an Ibotta rebate for $2 back with that. And then there is a Fetch Rewards here where you get 2,000 points right back for that, making it just 66 cents for that. But we actually have an insert coupon for if you buy any Axe deodorant, comma, body spray or body wash, you get a free body spray for free. So then we can also get a body spray absolutely free. So that's 2 deodorants for 66 cents. I love shopping with kids, but here we have the men's deodorant spray for $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for it. I cannot find the women's right now, but when you spray it, you want to make sure you scan one of the full sizes for that 10 kicks. But when you scan 2 of the items, you'll get 910 kicks, which is $3.64. This comes out to be a $1.67 moneymaker, you guys. Awesome deal. So if you guys like some pens, we got the red ones, the black ones, and then the blue ones. They're 97 cents, you guys, at Walmart this week. If you guys have that 2 off of 3 insert coupon that we just received, you would just get all 3 of them for 91 cents or 30 cents each. So here we have the Febreze small spaces for $3.24. We currently have a $2.30 off insert coupon that you guys can use. You'll just get this for 94 cents, which is a great deal. So here we have the Clean Freak for $3.24. You're gonna use a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our August P&Gs. Then there is a Shopkick deal where you get 360 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.04. So you'll end up getting 2 of these for just $2.04. That's $1.02 each, which is a great deal. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna get. I'm getting the Organic Valley Sweet Creamer. Now this is $4.18. I think my tags are all messed up at my store. But I actually received a free coupon that I got from Pinch Me, where you just kind of get free stuff. I just very rarely ever go to their website. But I'll get this for free, and then there's also a $1.50 rebate that I'll also get. So this ends up becoming a $1.50 moneymaker for me, which I'm pretty excited for. So here we have the Baya Starbucks drinks for $2.38. This looks like it reset again, so we're able to do the deal. So you'd pay $2.38, but then you get $2.38 back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So here we have the Club Crackers for $3.38. You would pay $3.38 for it, but there is a Shopkick deal where you get 560 points, which is $2.24. So this ends up becoming $1.14. So here's a great deal for Goldfish, you guys. You want to get the family size. These are $3.18. You buy 2 of them, you'll pay $6.36 for it. But then there is a Shopkick deal, and it does show that you can get the Goldfish, the 10-ounce family ounce. So you guys will get $3 back, or 300 points when you buy the 2 of them. So you get $3 back, making it $3.36. Sorry, my calculator's not working. Or just $1.68 for this, which is a great deal. Okay, you guys, so here is an awesome deal on Pop-Tarts. So these are $4.68. You'd pay $4.68 for it. But then there is 760 kicks that you get with Shopkicks, where that comes out to be $3.04. So this just comes out to be just $1.64 for 16 of the Pop-Tarts. Plus you guys get a free book for $1.64. That's a great deal. Here is another awesome deal on a giant box of Fruit Loops. So here we got it for $4.28. You would pay $4.28 for it. But then you get, sorry you guys, my phone, it says always flop. You get 760 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is actually $3.04 with Shopkicks. So this comes out to be just $1.24. I think $1.24 for a family size box of cereal is a great deal. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, I took my kids shopping with me today. Took them with me shopping, you guys. Like, I'm just gonna say 3 hours. 3 hours it took me to go shopping, and when I go by myself it takes me a little bit more than an hour depending on how many deals I do. And I was going crazy. I was going crazy insane. But my store has a ton of clearance toys. Now, I'm a person where I always just bought like crazy. I have stopped buying stuff because a lot of the stuff the kids just rip open and they never play again. I've learned to kind of cut back on shopping, period. Like, yes, it's on sale. If I know it's intentionally for a gift, I will get it. But I was just at like up to here with my kids. So anyways, if your store has a lot of clearance, go for it. Now, I've had problems with my app. I price check stuff with my app now, you guys, and it doesn't tell me what the price is. It does not tell me what the price is in the store. It tells me what the online price is. If there's a way around it with the Walmart app, please let me know. I know with Walmart Pay, you guys can do something differently, but like, it sucks because I want to know what the clearance price is, and they got rid of all the price checkers. I made a video for this a long time ago about BrickSeek. Now, BrickSeek is a website where you guys can check inventory, you can check prices. Now, it's not always 100% correct, but they actually have an app now, and you just sign in your account, and then I just do local, I actually just do like, what do I do? Search. And I just do Walmart, and then I can scan the product while I'm at the Walmart store, and it'll tell me what that price is. That's how I can check my clearance prices at Walmart now. So if you guys have a better way of letting me know and telling me what their prices are, and the app, I hate it, they keep changing it on me, that'd be awesome. But yeah, so I've been trying to cut back on shopping on stuff just in general. I've been trying to get rid of things, and I get that urge where I'm like, I gotta buy it, I gotta buy it, I gotta buy it, and it's like, why did I buy it? And I end up regretting it. So I'm sorry. I will still try to share with you guys as many deals, but my kids were driving me crazy. So I'm not gonna do a breakdown with you guys like I always do, because I've spent so much time working on this Walmart video, and I have been extremely busy, and I still have a lot of stuff to do today, and it's already like, my kids are screaming, it's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:15, and I'm still working on my Walmart stuff. But I'll just kind of go through with everything. So everything's scanned just fine, all the prices scanned just fine. 3 coupons I had problems with. That was for the Axe deodorant. Now, from what I read, it says buy an Axe deodorant, body spray or whatever, you get a free body spray. So that's how I thought that coupon was worded. Now, if I was wrong, I'm sorry. That's how I thought it was. So the coupon did beep. She ended up having to enter $5.78 for that Axe. So it ended up being $5.78 for the spray, and then $4.66 for the deodorant. I paid $4.66 for them, but then I got $2 back with Ibotta and $2 back with Fetch Rewards. So it came out to be 66 cents for both of them. So I was pretty excited for that. I wanted to get that other, what was it, I got the IB guard. I wanted to get the other guard, but my store was sold out of that, so that was okay. And then the 2 Febreze coupons did not work. It said 1, it didn't say 2, it just said 1. So it was $2.30 that they had to enter for both of those. So just give you guys a heads up if you don't get those coupons. I wanted to get like a vanilla or an apple, but my store did not have it, so I got pumpkin. So I'm ready for fall, y'all. But anyways, my total came to $89.66 for everything. I forgot to figure out what the price was before coupons. It was like $120 something, I think. But anyways, I did not get a weekend warrior. There was no weekend warrior. I do have that one bonus thing that is popping up. Now, funny thing is, I got a pop-up on my phone that says that I got this bonus. But then when I went to like the beginning of it, it said that I didn't. Or I didn't say it, but when I clicked on like my notification, it said I got $36.06 back. But it still hasn't updated my bookworm bonus. I almost dropped my phone. It still hasn't updated my bookworm bonus, and it didn't say how much I've gotten back from Ibotta yet. Maybe it'll refresh itself. So I don't know, Ibotta's kind of wonky right now, but yeah, it still hasn't showed how much I got yet. It still hasn't showed how much I got, but I did get it, so I think it's weird. But $36.06 for Ibotta. With Swagbucks, I'm not using the app anymore. I've had problems with it, so I just go directly through the website on my phone. And I got $9.20 for Swagbucks. Now there was a 10-cent Old Spice deal, and then there was a 10-cent something else that I bought. I couldn't remember what it was. Oh, Bic pens. So I got 10 cents back with that. So I ended up getting $9.20 back with Swagbucks. With Shopkicks, I received 5,760 points, which is $23.04. So I was happy with that. Coupons.com, I submitted my receipt for the Colgate toothpaste. I got $2 back right away for that. And then Fetch Rewards, I got 6,801 points, which is $6.80. That is for the Ticonderoga. Can't even pronounce that. And then I also got it for the Axe. So my grand total from $89.66 is what I paid. I'd have to check the price before coupons, but I will let you guys know in the description. It was $12.56. So I got 32 items at $12.56 at just 39 cents each, which I was pretty excited for with everything that I got. Yeah, so it was a crazy day. That's all I'm gonna say. I hope I don't have to bring my kids' coupon in next week, but it might happen. We'll see. We will see. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Sorry I didn't do the breakdowns like a lot of you guys want me to. I have just am crazy busy. I haven't even gotten anything done for today, and the day is already halfway over. I'm just crazy. I'm sorry. I'm just crazy busy, you guys. I'm ready for school to start, so I can kind of have things start to settle down. But again, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.